In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 3W, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings. Settings, not camera. Here they are. Now select display, and here you will notice advanced options. Smoothly click to enroll all of them, and now click on sleep. And pick the time that you would like to apply, so your device, your display actually, can fall asleep after 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 30 minutes. Let me go with 30 minutes, and that's it. As you can see, screen timeout has been changed, and from now on, display would fall asleep after 30 minutes of inactivity. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, and leave the thumbs up.